Hello students, in this video we will see an important question of class 10 under polynomial chapter. The question is related with alpha and beta, that is zeros of quadratic polynomial. We know we have seen already that a quadratic polynomial whose degree is 2 has two zeros and symbolized by alpha and beta. For a general form of quadratic polynomial, ax square plus bx plus c, where a is not equal to 0, and we have also seen the relationship between zeros and coefficient. So there are two relationships in case of quadratic polynomial. First one is sum of zeros, that is alpha plus beta, is equal to minus b by a, or sum of zeros is equal to minus coefficient of x by coefficient of x square. And second relation is product of zeros, that is alpha into beta equal to c by a, or product of zeros is equal to constant term by coefficient of x square. Now these two relationship plays a vital role in solving some specific type of question which involves actually sum of zeros and product of zeros. All questions related to zeros of the polynomial can only be solved with the help of these two relationships. For example, question like this: suppose if a quadratic polynomial, say 2x square minus 3x minus 5, has two zeros alpha and beta, then find first alpha square plus beta square, second 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta, third alpha by beta plus beta by alpha. So such question can be solved using above two relationship. So here what we will do, first of all we will write from the given quadratic polynomial what are the different values of a, b and c here. So we just see that here a is 2, the coefficient of x square, whereas b is minus 3, coefficient of x, and c is minus 5. Now what we will do, first we will calculate alpha plus beta, which is equal to minus b by a. So here in this case alpha plus beta will come minus 3 by 2, that is equal to 3 by 2, whereas alpha into beta is equal to c by a, that is minus 5 by 2. Now in finding these values we will use some algebraic identities here, as alpha square plus beta square. So we will use a square plus b square equal to a plus b whole square minus 2ab. So using this, substituting a and b by alpha and beta, we can calculate this alpha square plus beta square. Similarly, we can find out the value of 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta, and third alpha by beta plus beta by alpha. So similar questions are given here also. Question number 2: if the quadratic polynomial 2x square minus 3x plus k has one zero just reciprocal to the other, then find the value of k. And one more question here, for example, we have taken if the quadratic polynomial x square minus bx plus q has sum and product of zeros are 2 and minus 3 by 2 respectively, then find p and q. All such questions are very easily solved. Just calculate first of all these two relationships, the value of these two, that is sum of zeros and product of zeros, and only just substituting and simply using algebraic identities we can easily calculate these all type of questions very easy, in a very easy way. So one question generally asked in annual examination, in board examination, so you must prepare. So thanks students for watching this video, and I hope that it is very clear now. So we will see in the upcoming video. So till then it's okay.